Alright, so first I'm going to show you how to find all the counties in the state that have some limestone geology. Okay, so the first thing that I would do would be to select by attribute. So select out all of the limestone geologic units from the geology layer. So I'm going to grab that layer. I'm going to do a new selection, and where type is equal to limestone. Check that, looks okay. Now run. Okay, so if we open up the geology layer, we should have all the limestone geology selected. Okay, so that's that. So then the next step would be to do a select by location, and we're going to select the counties that intersect the geology layer. But in this case, since we have things selected, it will only take into account the selected geologic layers, or in this case the limestone layer. And that's a new selection, so we'll leave that. Okay, so that should have selected all the counties that intersected some limestone. So if we look at the attribute table, we can see that that was 19 of the 55 counties. You could also see that here by changing the contents to the selection type. Okay, so let's clear that selection, and let's answer the second part. So find all counties in West Virginia that contain an interstate and have an airport. Okay, so that would be a select by location. So we want to select counties that have an interstate passing through them. So we'll do intersect, and this time we'll use the interstates and run that. So those highlighted there are all the counties that have an interstate passing through them. And the second part, they also need to have an airport. So we're going to change this selection type to select subset from current selection, and then change the intersection there to airports. So first off, we have 22 counties that have the interstates, and that lowers it to 19 if we incorporate interstates and airports. So that's some examples of doing some select by attribute and select by location.